This is the section 6.1 Mathcast. It contains 3 lessons. In this section, discrete random variables, along with their expected values and variance, are explored and defined. Students examine the characteristics of linear transformations and combinations of random variables, including the surprise result that when random variables are subtracted, their variances are still added together. In Lesson 6.1.1, students identify the difference between discrete random variables and continuous random variables. In problems 6.2 through 6.4, combined with their knowledge from Chapter 1, students develop the concept of expected value and variance of random variables. It is critical that students make the connection between expected value and mean in this lesson. This will come up again frequently as the course progresses. The term expect will often imply mean. Lesson 6.1.2 begins with a review of linear transformations of data from Lesson 1.3.3. Linear transformations of data is then extended to probability distributions. In problem 6.12, students use the familiar concept of a two-way table to examine all of the outcomes of the combination of 2 consecutive trials of a random variable, x plus x, and use the results to find the expected value, variance, and standard deviation of the new distribution, x plus x. In problem 6.13, students find the counterintuitive result that the linear transformation of variable x to x is not equal to a distribution of x added to x. You might wish to practice some of the random variable combinations in problem 6.15 so that you're comfortable with the arithmetic and the solutions. The concepts students discover from combining distributions of discrete random variables also apply to continuous random variables. Problems combining normal distributions can be found in the problem generator. In Lesson 6.1.3, students see via a coin tossing activity that while the expected value of x minus x does equal 0, the variance and standard deviation of x minus x is actually greater than just x. Well, again, using the familiar model of a two-way table, students find that while the expected value for x minus x is indeed equal to 0, the variance and standard deviation of x minus x is actually the same as x plus x. This unexpected finding is then confirmed in a math notes box. In this lesson, you want to have dice and coins available, either real or virtual, for tossing. Adding and subtracting distributions of random variables is the underpinning of the variance of the sampling distribution for the difference of population proportions found in Chapter 8 and for the difference of population means found in Chapter 11. The section 6.2 Mathcast contains the binomial and geometric discrete probability distributions.